We're back at the hotel and hooked up to the wall connector, 48 amps, 200 volts. I think it's about 208. It's part of the 3-phase. We're good to go. We're going to charge up and then move it a little later. Hello and good morning. Yes, it is going home day. We're heading out. Get the car parked here and we're hitting the road. We're southbound now on Interstate 75 and it's drizzly. Nice weather. You don't see this every day. The guy's sending Morse code out of his turn signal. Let's see. Hello, Tesla. Hey, look at that. Guy's sending Morse code to say hello. How cool is that? Just going through Cincinnati, Ohio, heading south here. We're going to cross the river here in a few minutes. It's raining. Nice. We're off in Florence, Kentucky, and pulling into the major store. These are version 3s, nice and fast. So we'll get this charged and down the road. Looks like there's one customer. We've arrived with 63%, or you miles people, 208. We're going to top up here and head down to London. This is a view from the supercharger here in Florence. That's the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky airport here. All right, we're had enough. We're getting out of here, 89%, and that's 292 miles. Next stop, London, Kentucky. The weather just is not going to leave us alone. Looks like we'll be in this most of the day, I think. Southbound I-75. Continuing down 75 on autopilot. Yeah, I've run autopilot the whole way. It's really awesome. Rain or shine, it does a great job. Just about ready to get off in London, Kentucky. The 6-stall 150 kilowatt supercharger is there. Looks like it's indicating 5 of the stalls are free. That's excellent. We're going to get off and charge up and then head across country. Yeah, we're here at the supercharger, and as predicted, there is 1 stall in use. Good. We'll do our thing here. Line up our 2 slots. We'll be in 1B, I think it is. and we're good. And just like that, let's get plugged in. We've arrived with 29% or 94 miles of range. We are going to absolutely 100%. The reason we're doing that, we've got quite a bit of range to cover. It's going to be our last charging stop for the trip, and it'll take us all the way home to the Tryon area. So let's get charged up. We just had an awesome lunch across the street at Cheddar's. We charged to 100%, which was about 50 minutes. And of course, when we got here, there wasn't anybody here, but look at it now. 33YYY. And it's a 6-stall, 150 kilowatts. So there you are. And we're ready to go. It's about to stop charging here in just a minute. This is London, Kentucky. Guys, this is Tim and Katie. They're from Dayton, Ohio. We're coming from Dayton, Ohio. Do you like your Model 3, Tim?
Love it. Absolutely love it. Learned a lot watching your channel, too. So, getting ready for delivery and all that back in December at the Cincinnati Tesla store.
Excellent. Good. Well, you guys have a safe drive. It's very nice meeting you.
Likewise.
All right.
Thank you.
You take care. Thank you. We're ready to go. We are at 100%, 326 miles. And 99%. A shout out to Katie and Tim of Dayton, Ohio. They're headed north, we're heading south. We're full, we should be our last stop. We're headed out of here. Let's go. We're set up for a 15% on arrival. Again, my prediction is it'll be more when we eventually do arrive. And we're at 99% leaving London, Kentucky.
Drive south on Interstate 75 south for 90.8 miles.
We just set up the destination here, and it wants to take us through Knoxville. Of course, we don't want to do that, so to make that change, we're going to do this. We will add a stop. The stop will be Tazewell, which we had before, and it will reroute us now a different direction because of the stop we added. And this is where we ultimately need to go because we want to go on 25 East. It's
Drive
thinking
south
hard.
On Interstate
there it is.
75 south for 7.3 miles.
This is
Drive
the
south
shortcut.
On Interstate 75 south for 7.4 miles.
So this is the shortcut, and it then takes us down up through the gorge and all the way home. So this is where we're going today. We are not stopping in Asheville. Once we get off the highway, we travel at 55, and that will extend our range, and we won't have any issues at all. All right, we're on the road, about ready to get off in Corbin, Kentucky, and then we take 25 East and 6.5 miles. Just off on the exit here for Corbin, Kentucky.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto West Cumberland Gap Parkway.
What she said. We're on 25 East now, just out of Corbin. Heading towards the gorge now. Looks like there's maybe a little rain in our forecast here. Just starting into the gorge now. A little bit of traffic and possibility of some W. All right, let's do an energy check here. We've got 35% or 116 miles. We've got 58 miles to go. Oops, we got 58 miles to go. We're good there. And on percentage, 35 in the battery and arrival showing at 18%. I think we're good to go. We're out of the gorge now, just about to Interstate 26, another 8 miles. We're on 26 eastbound here now, in construction, heading to the south. Be home soon. Got 24%, and arrival is showing as 18% still, so we're on track. I am home. Awesome trip. Let's have a look. Today alone, we drove back from Dayton, Ohio, 428 miles. 123 kilowatt hours of energy used, average of 288 watt hours per mile. The entire trip was 1,087 miles, 306 kilowatt hours used, and an average usage of 282 watt hours per mile in 1,087 miles. Pretty good. It's way better than my original 2020 Model Y, especially with the aero cap wheels. So that worked out very well. The Model Y performed fine. Let's have a look at the battery here. We've arrived home with 17%. I think the suggested, of using my memory, I think was 12 or 15%. So it's pretty accurate. All in all, it was an awesome trip with Greg and Matt and Phil. And I think we're going to be very happy sleeping in our own beds tonight. If you like this video and all my videos, go ahead and click the like. Please click subscribe. As you know, I'm trying to grow my channel and I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos and take care.